We are sitting right now in the former Bryant Grinder facility, which is one of what was 3 machine tool companies that in my youth employed over 4,000 people in this community, and for all intents and purposes have been gone for almost 30 years. For many years the town struggled with, okay, we were this, now what?
People are just really fierce about their history and about what this community once was.
A town that was defined by engineering and ingenuity, with the highest per capita income in Vermont as recently as the late 1960s. Now that paradigm has shifted 180 degrees. We now actually have one of the highest poverty rates in the state. The closure of the machine tool industry left behind 800,000 square feet of available space.
These huge, empty industrial buildings all across Springfield.
We have repurposed over 500,000 of that, but as we sit here today, there's still another 430,000 feet still to go. That's contaminated, that has a variety of development challenges.
When you think about Vermont, I think most people picture, rolling pastures and mountains and ski resorts and maple syrup, and those things are all part of what make this a special place to live. What you wouldn't expect is that we have some of the fastest internet in the country.
Every building in Springfield has dedicated fiber with the capacity for 10 gigabit per second connectivity up and down. That's the fastest in the United States. The Black River Innovation Campus is intending to leverage that, both in terms of the types of businesses that are here, but also in terms of the skill sets we're trying to develop in the population, both young and old. We're developing a tech workforce to turn around that socioeconomic paradigm.
Bring about the next phase of ingenuity for this community and once again be on the cutting edge, just like we were. Different technology, but the same concept.
Repopulate the community and recreate a social infrastructure that will raise the per capita income and make Springfield a place of pride and ingenuity once again.
It's going to mean everything to these people who have been here all their lives, who remember when this building was, where their father worked or where they worked. It's a partnership between, the old timers and the newcomers, and so I think that if we can learn from what they remember, but also move things forward and continue to look towards the future, that's really going to be the key to the success of these projects.
What do I hope for? I hope that we can bring Springfield back, and we can make Springfield the place I grew up in and the place it can and should be again.